bare reading of above regulation indicates that the clerical mistake occurring in the certificate issued by the High School and Intermediate Education Board UP is rectifiable provided the candidate applies for its correction within a period of 2 years from the date of issuance of the certificate. Stop para. It is important to note that it is not the case of any party that the mistake of date of birth appearing in the high school certificate of the petitioner had occurred due to any mistake on the part of the petitioner, or that his correct date of birth is not 1/1/1993 as appears in the records of the school/college, meaning thereby the correct date of birth of the petitioner is 1/1/1993 and not 1/1/1990 as mentioned in the high school certificate. Stop para. An authority vested with the jurisdiction to issue a certificate and to maintain record of it has inherent power to rectify the mistake, if any, that may occur in the certificate so issued, provided the mistake is genuine and the person concerned has no role attached to it. Therefore, any mistake of a clerical nature occurring in the certificates can be rectified on the application of the candidate concerned or even by the authority concerned in suo motu exercise of its inherent power whenever the mistake comes to its notice. Stop. In other words, any mistake in the high school certificate can always be rectified either on an application by the person concerned or by the authority/board itself in suo motu exercise of its inherent power. Stop. Para. The limitation of moving an application for rectification of the mistake of a clerical nature appearing in the high school certificate is for the candidates and not for the board to take suo motu action in exercise of inherent power. Stop para. The law of limitation is founded on public policy so as to limit the lifespan of a litigation or the legal remedy. Stop. It does not aims to defeat the rights of the parties. In the case of N. Balakrishnan versus M. Krishnamurthy, 1998, 7 SCC 123, the Supreme Court of India observed, if the remedy availed by the party who has been wronged does not smack of malafides or is not by way of dilatory tactics, the courts must show utmost consideration to the suitor. Stop. In other words, a bona fide delay may not by itself be treated as sufficient to debar the remedy, particularly where the record ex facie shows miscarriage of justice. Stop para. In the instant case, there is no dispute that the correct date of birth of the petitioner is 1/1/1993 and that in the high school certificate it has been incorrectly mentioned as 1/1/1990. The limitation of 2 years provided in applying for rectification of the certificate is applicable to the candidates, but there is no limitation for the board to exercise its inherent power to correct the certificate issued by it. Stop. Thus, the board, certainly in exercise of its suo motu inherent power, is authorized to correct a clerical mistake or error appearing in the high school certificate once it is brought to its notice. Stop. It is incumbent duty of the board to ensure that the certificates issued by it are correct and does not suffer from any error or mistake.